Now we will work on the faraway element. We need to have some modern ceiling lights for the dining area. On the 3D Warehouse website, we can download any 3D model, including ceiling decoration. After importing this model, I will create some material for the lamp, use copper for the metal part, and create some brightness for the light bulb. Add material button and apply the standard material after selecting the surface. To create a glow effect, you must increase the emissive value. To change the color of the glow effect, use the color button to select a new color. A simple technique like this can make a big difference. Apply some material for the furniture. Because the furniture is not the main focus of the render, I only use preset materials. For the background, we only need some leaves, not an actual tree. I will use clusters for this purpose. They are light, proceed, and easy to use. Adjust the scale a little bit. For the background, it will make your architecture stand out in a picture rendering. You must have a correct background. We must use the cloud effect and fog effect. Let's start with the cloud effect. To use this effect, perform the following steps. Click on the New Effect button. Choose the Weather tab and select the cloud effect. Some settings are self-explanatory, such as the position, cloud speed, and cloud direction setting, to mention a few. Lumion gives you a control of 2 layers of clouds, the low and high clouds. The amount of both types of clouds is controlled using the low clouds and high cloud setting. Use the master cloud amount setting to control the amount of both clouds in the project. Change the type of clouds using the presets available. Adjust the cloud preset setting to change the low clouds and the high preset setting to adjust the tone shadows. Next, the fog effect. Fog is a natural event that may be applied to our project and create significant changes. With the fog effect, we can achieve this and much more. Click on the New Effect button. In the Photo or Movie mode, under the Weather tab, select the fog effect. Start by increasing the fog density setting. To create the haze effect, you need to adjust the fog falloff setting. Finally, change the color using the color bar, where you can adjust the color and intensity of the fog. Finally, adjust the camera for the perfect frame. Now, we can make a render photo. We have many options for the resolution of the render. For example, email, desktop, print, and poster. Click the OK button to save and export our photo. And immediately, a rendered image is created that we can look at. Your render at a breakneck speed. You can see the difference between the old and new render.